going, everyone? We're up here in very windy Prescott, Arizona, as you can tell. We have a project Saab that we're going to be working on for a few videos here. This is Sarah's 2005 9.3 Linear, and it's been sitting for a while. It has a bad ECU and has a few other little things wrong with it. So today we're going to start by fixing some of the smaller things with it, and then at some point we'll get a new ECU. When I get my Tech 2, we'll hopefully program it with that. Went to the junkyard a couple weekends ago, and we got a bunch of just little things that we're going to be replacing today. For one, climate control, because these buttons, the backlights don't work, right?
Yeah.
The backlights don't work, and the buttons are all kind of messed up, so we found this one in perfect shape. We have a new fog light and headlight switch. A linear MAF, because this one has the wrong MAF on it, and it throws a check engine light. We have what should be rear climate vents, but it's just a little holder. And we have a glove box stopper, because it does that shit every time. And then, what else do we have?
This.
And we have a little cover for the
And you just made me lose the extra
hook.
cover piece of things.
Okay. And then there's a little cover, a little fresh knob up there. And then one more thing. Fire missiles. Yes. Someone posted that on a Facebook group and I sent it to her. So she decided to impulse buy it for like $12.
It was 10.
It was 10, okay.
Yes.
Yes, that's perfect.
All right.
Literally the easiest thing to remove. Then you have one connector. Nice. Old one is out. Throw that back there.
Hello?
Plug the new one in.
As far as it goes in? Oh.
No. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Fresh.
Well, it works. Question is, do the backlights work?
It just pushed that out.
Okay, well, we will figure that out when it's night. Because
Weird.
it's too...
Why did it push this out? And it, like, oh.
Whoa, what the f...
Okay.
I smelled something. Okay.
Nice.
What the actual f... What is going on? I'm gonna just put that on the ground here.
Well,
okay, someone might know why that happened, but I'm assuming it shorted out. Oh, this fuse doesn't work, right? You have a replacement fuse for this. That's probably what it is.
it's my wallet. Just
Okay.
gonna put that back right there.
Yeah. Okay. So clearly, this is getting a 1-star review on Amazon because it almost caused the entire car to explode into flames.
It literally just pushed it out. Like, ripped my phone.
Yeah, it pushed it out of the cigarette lighter. I didn't get it on camera. Pretty simple. So this one is
Disgusting.
it's disgusting, I guess. That's why she wanted to get a new one of that.
Yeet.
There we go. Yeah, that is actually kind of disgusting.
I don't even know what's in there.
I don't want to know what's in there. We're gonna stop looking at it.
I can see what I was doing. Yay.
Okay, so put the new one on. So that one didn't work, or what?
Yeah, it didn't work, and one of the clips was broken, so it just...
Okay, it didn't stay in the whole way, right? I remember
It
that.
didn't stay, and it was really annoying. It just looked like trash. Yay.
Is it better?
Yeah.
It's actually in there now. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're replacing the cigarette lighter fuse because your cigarette lighter doesn't work, right?
Yeah.
So we have a spare. Wow, don't sound too excited. So we have a spare one. If you didn't know, it comes with spare ones. I did have a spare one that she put in her wallet, but it somehow fell out. So that's just a 30 amp. The bottom one right here, number 22, if you're looking on the, there we go. If you're looking on the owner's manual.
Alright, car. You and your time for service shit.
Glove box problem. Every damn time. So you can see there's two little, like, I guess holders that go in like right here on either side. We were only able to get one from a junkyard, but you can see that both of hers are completely destroyed and broken. So when you open the glove box, it flies down like that, and that's obviously not good. So pretty simple to get that off. It's just a bunch of T25s all around here. I think there's what, like 8 or 10 of them. But we should only need one of them for it to function how it should. At least that's the hope.
Neat.
Okay, so we lost the bottom half.
Goodbye, car.
Broken. Oh, okay, the camera's pointed to.
Oh.
There you go. Broken trash. Okay, let's put a new one in. Just have to like feed it up through here, and it kind of just like clicks into place almost. I probably shouldn't have removed every single one of these like a dumbass because it's going to be hard to line up. Actually, maybe not. It's just gonna have to like hold it awkwardly for the first couple. You guys have been asking for a freaking project Saab. Well, this one's not mine, but it counts for something, right? I hope. Tow hook cover that always seems to fall off.
There you go.
Nice. Doesn't match perfectly, but
I need to spray it with trim.
yeah,
so.
just need to get a trim restore on it. Okay, last piece, the MAF. The beast. Okay.
Gross.
The dumbass who she bought this car from put a MAF from an ARC or an Arrow, the one with the bigger turbo, on here, and it kept putting her car into limp mode. So when we went to the junkyard, there were a couple linears there, so we grabbed a linear MAF, which I guess is pretty expensive new for whatever reason.
I don't know.
So this should fix that, and then of course ECU.
Ugh. Okay. The plastic covering for that's like all broken, so that's cool.
The lighting is just really bad right now because of the angle the sun's at, but it's okay.
Looks fine.
Here we go, proper MAF. Okay, MAF is done. Yeah, you're cool and slow. What are you doing?
It's evaporating. I also leak coolant and I leak oil and...
You leak coolant, you leak oil. What else do you leak? Power steering fluid,
No, my
brake fluid.
No, but my brake fluid's gonna start because the cap's broken and my engine's flooded because my injectors were stuck.
Oh yeah, I
open.
forgot about that. Yeah, so that's why you need a new ECU.
Why it wasn't starting in the first place.
I don't know how much of that was audible. There's a big road out there and it's very windy, but...
Good night, Saab.
In the next installment, we have a couple more junkyard parts that we don't have time to get to today. Don't know when this will happen, hopefully soon, probably next weekend. We have a new window regulator, a motor, and then we have a new vacuum hose. So we'll be doing that in the next video, and then whenever we can get an ECU and Tech 2, that'll be a third video, I guess. And then your car will be back.
Did you get my horrible paint in the video?
You want me to expose you for your horrible, sounds like an East Coast accent, horrible paint?
It's worse on the other side.
Let's look at the other side. Oh no!
No, it's even worse.
Everyone tell her to fix these taillights too.
Yeah, I'll just rip it off, don't worry.
Okay, good.
Look at that. Ooh, nice.
This is,
nice.
we don't deal with rust here, but we deal with this shit, people, and it's cosmetically a nightmare. Let's see the Turbo X there, chilling in the distance. There we go. Look at it. So with that being said, guys, that's it for today. We'll be back soon with another project video, I guess, on this, what has now become a project car on the channel of sorts, even though it's not a huge project, just little things like we did today, and some bigger stuff to come. So if you enjoyed this video or are excited to see what's coming on this car in the future, give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.